Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana here, back with a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look right here. This look was inspired by someone I came across on Instagram. I will link her Instagram right here and in the description box. This look spoke to me because I like fiery red, orangey, yellow looks. I don't know what it is about that, but I do love it so much. I do have other fiery tutorials that I created on my channel. We'll definitely link that in the description box, and have a pop up in the cards. And I'm gonna be doing a voiceover. I think I did one voiceover ever in my life. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click that notification button. Give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see other recreations of other people's work, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and Snapchat. I'm gonna stop talking. Let me on to this video. Okay, y'all. So now we're gonna go with that little tan shade and that orange shade. I'm gonna just put that in my crease. Yeah, I'm over here dancing, listening to music as always. So I'm just put that in the crease. I just want that to be my transition shade so that it could peek through the look. And yeah. It's weird doing a voiceover. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to just put that in my crease, like, generously. Like, I'm not going to be light-handed with this. I'm going to be very, very generous with it. And I'm watching TV too. So yeah. Okay guys, so the next shade that I will be going into is this pink fiery shade. That's like my favorite shade in the 3502 palette from Morphe. I'm going to just basically put that on the outside in the inner corner of my eye, because we're creating a halo eye. If you guys want to see an in-depth halo eye, how to cut your crease and things like that, please let me know in the comment section. Because I've done it a lot of times, but you know, every time is different. So yeah, I'm gonna just basically blend that out. Okay guys, now I'm going to cut my crease with the Wet n Wild concealer. I'm not sure if I think I'm using medium tan, because I have two shades. I have the medium tan, which is too light for me, and then I have the medium dark, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to use that just to cut my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to start with this orange shade. I'm going to just basically blend that out with the pink shade, and to create like an upside down triangle so the eye can look like a flame. So it goes from the pink, the orange, into the yellow in the middle. And I'm just basically making it look more radiant and more put together, because we don't want any harsh lines. So I recommend, if you try this look out, any other look doing a halo, you have to blend and take your time. Now, the main attraction of the show, we're going to be using the BH Cosmetics Gilded Refection Palette. And I'm going to use that yellow shade right there. I'm going to wet my brush, of course, and I'm going to just put that in the upside down triangle space that I just created with the orange shade. So I'm going to just basically put that right smack in the middle and make sure that I don't go over the orange, because I want the orange still to peek through this look. So I'm being very, very, very careful. We're finally done with the eyes. Now it's time to work on his face. So I'm gonna just do my normal foundation routine. I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys watch.